The campaign appeared to be carefully orchestrated.
Officials investigated who had planned the entire event.
The revocation of the rule changed the legal situation.
People asked how the decision would affect the region.
Officials warned citizens against malicious propaganda.
People should verify information before sharing it online.
Social media companies are facing strict government scrutiny.
Their handling of harmful content is being closely examined.
A heavy deployment of security forces was arranged.
Additional personnel were sent to maintain public order.
Security checks were intensified before the demonstrations.
Police increased patrolling on several important roads.
The stock market continued its upward momentum.
Positive company results increased investor confidence.
Several companies reported robust financial performance.
Strong earnings helped the market reach new highs.
Political leaders met to break the parliamentary deadlock.
The discussion stopped because neither side could agree.
The court advised both sides to show restraint.
Calm dialogue can prevent a tense situation from worsening.